Y'all, I done went through the Snorkel pond. I earned my break on hitting holes for a while.
Hey, who this?
Whoa! He's stuck.
You alright in there? Hey, your exhaust ain't nothing. You alright? Stop.
Hey, Booger!
Hey,
Go on that side! Hey, Booger! Come on this side! Hold on, Tonneau! Booger, come on this side. Try it. There you go.
hey, hold up, man. Hold up, you getting ready there. Hold up. I'm ready, man.
He said he already dirty.
Hey, wait. Hold up.
Hey, wait! Winch him out! Yeah, you in it.
Hey, hold on. You in that motherfucker.
Yeah. Whoa, fat boy.
Hey, probably better to pull it from the back.
Might be better to pull it.
Hey, never mind.
Just hold on. I mean, you stuck.
Hey, you on the bottom.
I ain't gonna lie, you stuck. Just stop. Just hold on. Yeah, I need somebody with some waders. I ain't necessarily got them on.
Hey, it's on the very bottom in the middle. What's that? Your hook. Right there on the bottom. That's where it's at.
Oh man, he got the wireless. He got the wireless winch remote though. I gotta change batteries after this. My battery about to die. Hey, fat boy, I think you can make it.
I think I can too, but I ain't going to that. That's super.
Try it. Either try that one or try that one over there.
Look at my four-wheeler back there. It's going. I can't. Oh.
You can make it. I think you can make it.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So I have now hit the Snorkel pond. That's why you hear the. Yeah, I've hit the Snorkel pond. I finally achieved my goal at Red Oak. I went through the pond. I am good. Oh, one-eye Willie right there. Oh, y'all, he's stuck.
Hey, you got to hook that motherfucker to the tree.
Hey, y'all, look at Booger over there. Man, look at him. He got in the hole and got stuck, man. He dirty as shit. He dirty. All right, y'all, we got a drag race. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, man. I got dragged, man. y'all, we got a damn Kawasaki KFX 700 right here. That's what I raced the first time. This thing is clean. God,
need some ass. I ain't gonna beat that motherfucker. Oh yeah.
You gonna race him? All right, let's go. Great, man. I can't even. That's what I'm thinking. Behind it. Yo, that KFX is moving, boy. God almighty. Huh? You gave him a bike link?
No,
but he still.
I gave you the jump. I gave him a bike link. He didn't give him a jump though.
Hey, that still was pretty good though.
Yeah, it was. That's what the motherfucker.
Hey, that still was pretty good though.
That shit was running though.
Hey, you was getting it too. Man, I don't need one of those. I definitely don't need one of those. So we chilling here at Red Oak. We gonna chill and maybe get to some riding later. All right, so before we get to the ride, what's done to it though, for real?
It's all stock.
Bullshit.
Stock engine, stock turbo. And that's the truth.
Bullshit.
No, and I'm not kidding you. For about $4 grand, I can do this to your machine.
Stock engine, stock turbo.
Yes, promise you. No need to lie.
Oh, no.
Maybe I go backwards.
Yeah, it might help you go backwards. Yo, why I put myself in these positions?
We're gonna hit
for
about
y'all?
70.
You said we're gonna hit what?
About 70.
All right.
Or maybe a little quicker.
Oh man, here we go.
It's two-step. You ever heard that?
Yeah, I've heard. I ain't never heard. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh goddamn! Yeah, we good. Trey, come here, man. That motherfucker hitting, ain't it? That motherfucker. God, I wasn't ready for all of that, man. Oh.
Don't do that to it.
Oh man. Hey,
I heard his feelings once.
you took my damn breath.
It's quick to do.
Dude, that's the quickest shit.
Yeah, no, it really is a stock engine, stock turbo.
Hey, it was a good ride, man.
That's it, bro.
Oh man. Me and Trey both rode in that motherfucker and it's getting it. That thing is getting it. Yeah, I got a video of it. God.
You can throw that
All
one
right,
down.
so he has his own business too.
Yes.
And we gon' that's what it's called. So make sure to look him up. Like this, this 925 is quick.
It's quick. Cool, man. I appreciate it.
For what it is, it's quick.
Yeah.
So, all right, y'all, we're gonna cut this video. Y'all know how I do. After a day of riding, it's time for me to chill. So, I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Y'all done seen me go through the snorkel pond. I hadn't got stuck yet, but I done went through the snorkel pond, which was an achievement of mine I wanted to hit with the Brute. So with me going through the snorkel pond, I'm on a high like I don't know. I'm on a high like I don't know what. Like, I'm just glad I made it through the snorkel pond. So we're gonna go hit Pine Lane. So I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Like I said, next time I will have my co-pilot. It ain't the same without her, so I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.